The Little Red Cape. Once upon a time, there was an elderly woman who lived in the forest. Her cottage sat beneath three large oak trees, built from wood with green painted trim. The cottage blended into the trees. It did matter that the cottage was small. She did not need much space. The woman spent most of her time outside. She liked to tend the wildflowers and the vegetable in her garden. A kindly woodcutter lived in a house just beyond the forest. Sometimes he passed the elderly woman's cottage on his way to harvest some trees. He waved to the woman if he saw her in the garden. He always made sure she had enough wood for a fire at night. However, he worried about her safety because willy wolves haunted the nearby forest. The woman's granddaughter came to visit. Often the little girl always brought treats with her on baking day. In return, the woman told the little girls stories. She told her about the fairies and the magical creatures who live in the woods. The grandmother and the little girl loved each other very much. One day on the path between her cottage and the creek, the elderly woman came across a wolf pup. The young wolf was howling at the base of a tree, picking up a broken branch. She waved it at the pup. "Get away from there," she yelled, and being young, the wolf ran in fear. Looking up into the tree, the woman spied what made the wolf howl. A frightened fairy sat huddled on a tree branch. The woman smiled and gently coaxed the fairy down from its perch. She carefully carried her back to the cottage in her apron. The woman searched for something old enough to use as a blanket for the fairy. She pulled out a soft washcloth. Then the woman put on a kettle and made tea. She served the fairy tea from a sewing table. "Oh, that wolf had such big teeth," the fairy said as it recovered from its terrible fright. "How can I repay you for saving me?" "There is no need," the woman explained. "I am glad I came by in time to help. I am better than most fairies with needle and thread. May I make you something?" "There is nothing I need," the woman said, "but perhaps you could make something pretty for my granddaughter, and that is what I'll do," and the fairy said with a smile. Bouncing off the table, the fairy skipped across the floor and disappeared out the door. Several days later, an elderly woman discovered a package on her doorstep. It was wrapped in leaves and vines. A bouquet of flowers sat on top of the bundle like a bow. As the woman parted the leaves, she found a folded little reading hood. It was exactly and right size for her granddaughter. The elderly woman read the note that fell from the folds. I have blessed this cake with some of my own magic. It is not much. Still, it should help to protect your granddaughter if she wanders from the path of safety.